Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we will explore together a question that has probably been on the minds of many people. After squeezing acne, should I abstain from beef? This is not only a common problem, but also a sentiment shared by many people when they face unstable skin conditions. But is it really necessary to abstain from beef after squeezing acne? And if so, what is the main reason? Join us to learn more about this issue in today's video. Have you ever wondered why some people recommend that after squeezing acne, you should abstain from eating beef? You've probably heard stories about how beef can aggravate your skin condition, but is this true? What's the truth? And is there any scientific evidence to prove this? Discover the answers with us in this video. But before going deeper into the matter, let's learn about the nutritional composition of beef, as this can be an important factor in helping us better understand the effects of beef on our skin. Join us to explore these and more in the main content of the following video. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos, because it will help you have healthy, beautiful skin in the future. Let's start. 1. Nutritional ingredients in beef. Have you ever wondered about the variety of nutrients found in beef and their impact on your skin? Beef, a major source of protein and essential for the body, is also a source of iron, zinc, and vitamin B12, important for skin health. Protein helps regenerate skin cells, iron is involved in collagen production, zinc helps control acne-causing bacteria, and vitamin B12 helps maintain overall skin health. However, along with those benefits, beef also contains a significant amount of saturated fat and cholesterol. These substances, if consumed in excess, can cause problems for your skin. For example, saturated fat and cholesterol can increase the risk of inflammation and slow skin wound healing. So, although beef provides many nutrients for the skin, you also need to consider the amount of beef you consume to ensure it does not damage your skin. 2. Effects of beef on skin healing. Continuing with the question, does beef really affect your skin? What can the saturated fat and cholesterol in beef do for your skin? Is there a link between beef consumption and your skin condition? There are many opinions that saturated fat and cholesterol can increase the risk of inflammation, making skin heal longer. In addition, beef can also cause the skin to secrete more oil, making it more likely to have acne problems. So, controlling your beef intake after you've dealt with acne can be a way to aid your skin's healing process. However, everything comes down to consideration, and not everyone reacts the same way when consuming beef. So it's important to learn about your constitution and how beef affects your skin. Don't forget to share your views and comments on this issue below in the comments section. And don't forget to like if you find this video useful and subscribe so you don't miss any new videos from us. Thank you for participating and accompanying us on this journey. If someone asks you this question now, you probably won't be able to answer accurately. Should or shouldn't you abstain from beef after squeezing acne? So please watch this video until the end. When facing the problem of acne, each person often has a different reaction to eating beef. However, should we abstain from beef after squeezing acne? This is truly a controversial question and requires careful investigation. In the opinion of dermatologists, there is no specific scientific evidence proving that abstaining from beef after squeezing acne will help the skin heal faster. However, this does not mean that we do not need to care about eating beef after squeezing acne. We also need to consider each person's constitution. If you feel allergic to beef, or your skin is more sensitive than others, limiting beef intake during this time may be a safer decision. This can help reduce the risk of irritation or inflammation to your skin. But remember that each person has a unique constitution and skin condition, and abstaining from beef may not be suitable for everyone. This is just a suggestion, and the final decision is still yours based on personal understanding and experience. Let's discuss and share your views on this issue. Now comes the part that you're probably looking forward to the most. 4. Suggested foods to eat after squeezing acne. After dealing with acne, nutrition also plays an important role in supporting your skin's healing process. So, which foods can help strengthen your skin's resistance? Foods rich in vitamins A, C, and E are definitely a great choice. Vitamin A helps control oil production, vitamin C helps reduce inflammation and regenerate skin cells, and vitamin E helps protect skin from the effects of UV rays and harmful environmental agents. Foods such as carrots, oranges, barley seed oil, pistachios, and seeds such as sunflower seeds are rich in these vitamins. In addition, the effects of omega-3 in reducing inflammation and promoting skin healing cannot be denied. Salmon, chia seeds, and flax seeds are rich sources of omega-3 that you should add to your daily diet. Finally, don't forget to add green vegetables and fruits to your meals. They provide not only vitamins, but also minerals and fiber necessary for the body. Green vegetables like collard greens, mustard greens, and fruits like berries, pomegranates, and oranges are all good choices to keep your skin healthy from the inside. Don't hesitate to share your comments below and let us know what you think about these suggestions. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe so you don't miss the latest videos from us. Summary of the main content of the video. Throughout this video, we discovered interesting things about the relationship between beef and our skin. We have learned about the nutritional composition of beef and found that it provides many important nutrients for the skin, but it can also cause problems if consumed too much. We have discussed the effects of beef on the skin, especially in terms of increasing the risk of inflammation and increasing oil secretion, leading to the formation of new acne. In addition, we have asked whether we should abstain from beef after popping pimples and learn about the differences in each person's constitution. Finally, we have received useful suggestions on foods to eat after popping pimples, include foods rich in vitamins and omega-3s, as well as green vegetables and fruits. If you find this video useful and interesting, please like and share to share knowledge with your friends and relatives. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the latest videos from our channel, and to continue accompanying us on our journeys of discovering health and beauty. Finally, I want to send my sincerest thanks to all of you who took the time to watch this video. Your interest and support is a great motivation for us to continue producing more quality and useful content in the future. Thank you for accompanying us.